We are back with another latest A series Samsung smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A23, a budget mid-ranger. To watch the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G test video, press the I button on the top right corner or the link in the description. We have the peach version of the Samsung Galaxy A23 here, and it looks unique just because of its variation in color. It weighs in at a comfortable 195 grams, just under the 200 grams range, and at least feels sturdy in the hands. Even though the plastic has a glossy texture, it still doesn't reflect light like a mirror like some other devices. An f2.2 CMOS backside illumination 8 megapixel selfie camera. On the quad camera unit, a primary 50 megapixel wide lens with optical image stabilization, a 5 megapixel 123 degrees ultra wide lens, and a 2 megapixel lens each for depth and macro sensing. The scratch test is being performed on the tempered glass protection with sharp objects such as an old bottle opener, scissor, and a steel blade. For those who are new on the channel, the blade is the best tool to measure the actual scratch resistance of any glass protection, and of late also the scissor. There have also been several cases of scratch fails, mostly in BBK devices, due to poor quality production and 100% failure rate while testing frosted glasses. Samsung has once again maintained the quality of its glass production by use of genuine Corning glass, passing a scratch test. Apart from its IP-rated mid-ranges and flagships, Samsung hasn't always done great as far as liquid damage resistance is concerned, mainly by its audio getting easily affected and some liquid damaged devices. The reason for this maybe is because Samsung actually does not give the non-IP-rated devices any protection against water, unlike some other brands like Realme and BBK, which do well against liquid damage even without an official IP rating. In the ongoing oleophobic bathing round, it becomes clear that the Samsung Galaxy A23 does have oleophobic coating like always. It's another matter that in recent times, Realme did have some massive display damages and fails in devices like the Realme 9 Pro and the Nazro 50i. But on the whole, it has done great without IP rating, which is not the case with Samsung. Though it wasn't able to pass to the next round due to severe distortion and low audio levels, an initial sign of liquid damage starting to set in, and it took about 40 minutes for it to recover. It's highly recommended to keep it as far away from water as possible. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, the test of structural strength and build quality. Samsung mostly has strong builds, apart from a few, especially the infamous soft and weak A-series plastic devices. Quite a lot of not so loud cracking sounds from the first display side bend, maybe because of the immense pressure on the clamps. The bend degree is same as the first, but this time no scary sound effects to increase tensions in your mind. The latest A series seems to be strongly built compared to the previous lineup of poorly built soft devices. It looks like Samsung has learned a hard lesson from the past disastrous builds and put it behind them for good. The Samsung Galaxy A23 has a strongly built design and passes the bend test.